Today I'm in a blustery New Holland, Pennsylvania, and the reason that I'm here is this number right behind me. What you're looking at is the Sonoma from the one and only Zook Cabins with dimensions of 11 foot 2 wide by 36 foot 10 inches long. This park model is 395 square feet, but you would never know it when you get inside because to me it feels a lot bigger than that. Let's have a look around. A couple things jump out at me about this Sonoma right off the bat. Number one is the look. So it's got a shed roof, which gives it a modern look, but then they've taken this deck, which runs end to end, and put a covered section right in the middle. And to me, that integrates a bit of a cottage vibe, which works very well for this location. If you look in front of me, another Sonoma. Behind me, 4 more Sonomas. So this is a place where you can come and rent them on a nightly basis, either just to test it out or to go on vacation. I'm going to jump behind the camera. Let's take a quick tour around this unit. Starting at the end of the home is a perfect opportunity to have another look at this shed roof. So you'll notice that most of the overhang is on the front. Looks to be 18 to 24 inches there. And as I go around the back, you will see it's maybe 2 to 4 on the back and same on the end as well. The reason that they do that is because having the overhang on the front of the home drastically increases the curb appeal, and the front is where most people will be viewing the home from. So checks out. The exterior is finished with an LP Expert pre-finished lap siding. That's what you're looking at in the olive or green color, and then in the middle they've got a Luna wood accent. If you combine that with the black windows, black door, and cool light fixture on the front, I think they've got a very good look here. It's kind of a modern cottage, and for the location, for the purpose, I'd say it is working quite well. Now, as far as the layout goes, the way they've got this one set up is with the bedroom on the end. We've got an entrance bathroom in the middle, and then on the far side is where we're gonna find the living room as well as the kitchenette. And as I mentioned at the very beginning of this video, just wait, because to me, it feels a lot bigger than 395 square feet. Yes, I know people are ready to see the inside of this home. However, I just noticed something that I missed on the walk around, and I want to point it out in case people are trying to achieve a similar look, because I think it makes the home and the covered section look so much more intentional with just making this one tweak. So if you look at the side of the home, or the siding of the home, I should say, the Luna wood lines up perfectly with the width of the covered section, and they've got a similar wood on the ceiling of the covered section, and to me it's just a nice touch that really makes a big difference. So there you go. Let's check out the inside for real this time. The entrance has a full light window in the door, and up above they've got another window. Definitely no shortage of windows in the Sonoma. As I head inside, the first place that you land is the landing. And what they've got here is kind of interesting, and I think it works very well. Instead of having a closet with a bifold door, they've left this open, and you've got a seat here to not only put on your shoes, but also a place to put your shoes under. You can see my shoes there for scale. And up above, they've got coat hooks, enough for 6 jackets without doubling up. I think this is a very cool space, and it just kind of helps to open up the floor plan. Now, as I pan around, we're gonna get our first look at the living room, dining room, kitchen section. You can see they've got the mini split up above there. And what I want you to notice is what they've got on the walls and ceiling. So they've got a birch plywood that's been primed and painted, and I think it works very well. Now, coming around, we're gonna see the windows into the dining room, and let's head over and take a look at this kitchenette. So again, this specific Sonoma is in use as a short-term rental. So this kitchen isn't designed to be able to make a turkey dinner. So they got a 2-burner cooktop there, microwave on the counter, coffee, important, and then they've got a stainless steel sink on this side. Under the sink, you've got your typical under the sink stuff there. We've got a bank of drawers here That's a deeper one. They've got two that are the same on the bottom. I think I missed one on the top that is likely going to be cutlery. Yes, that is right. And then over on this side, we have got an apartment-sized fridge that opens like that. Freezer up above. Perfect for a short-term stay. Now above the countertop, they've got this open shelf right here, which is in use for the stuff like plates, bowls, cutting boards, and paper towels. You got it all. All right, let's have a look at the dining room. So they've got a little dining table there, enough for two, perfect for a weekend away. You can sit here, eat some pizza or whatever else you might have brought or cooked, and have a look out at the lake. Doesn't that sound lovely? Or you can look out this window, down the path, and again, out at the lake. Coming around, they've got the electric fireplace directly across from the couch. It's got the wood around it and the TV mounted, which looks to be at what I can only describe as a perfect height. I also like how the light's hitting it from up above. It just kind of gives it a little bit of wow factor as well. We've got the pendant light coming down to the dining table, and I'm just going to pan around to show you this entire space because, again, 395 square feet, and I think it's well used. Let's continue. Heading down this direction, we're going to go past the entrance. This is, I wouldn't even describe this as a hall because of the width. They've got this window here which does help to open it up as well. So just past the main entrance is the bathroom, and you can see a nice wide vanity right here. I haven't opened this drawer yet, but look at the width on this. It's got the cutout to make room for the drains under the sink, but all the stuff you might need to store can be stored in there, as well as the towel open shelf down below. Now beyond that, I guess we'll look at the countertop as well. They've got the countertop sink here from Deer Valley, and above that, usual stuff, the mirror, couple shelves in the corner above the toilet, and the one window that's on the back of the home is this one right here into the bathroom. Okay, coming around this direction, let's open this up because you've got the full walk-in shower right here. How are you? Perfect place to come and get clean before you head out and do whatever you do here in New Holland, Pennsylvania. Another look out at the lake here. I've heard, based on my welcome packet, that you can do some fishing in there. I haven't done any yet, forgot my rod, but maybe next time. Into the bedroom, you can see they've got the vertical shiplap accent behind the bed, which I think looks awesome. They've got reading lights on either side. I think I mentioned in the intro that I didn't know whether this was a king, but looking at it now, this is definitely a king bed. And again, look at the space in this bedroom. This is a 36-foot, 10-inch home, and somehow, I don't understand it, but they've managed to fit so much into 395 square feet. I don't know. It's kind of blowing my mind a little bit. Right here, you thought that was everything, but think again, because right at the end of the home, they've also got a little mini walk-in closet right here, so a place you can hang a few clothing items. And going that way, they have got the hot water tank tucked into that corner. So we'll get a look at the bedroom from this side. Woof. Actually, I'm going to come down here because behind the door, another TV right there and views out the front. So I'm going to take this end to end. So bedroom, bathroom. We'll get one last look at the kitchen and living room. Again, this is the Sonoma. Big fan. There you have it, folks. The Sonoma from Zook Cabins, a 395 square foot park model with one bedroom, one bathroom that's available to come and try out right here at the Red Run Resort. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next